Hey friends, welcome back to the GoSlowTaco YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sean. As you can see, or barely see, I am in the Eastern Sierra of California. Here's my truck. It's a 2015 Toyota Tacoma, the GFC camper and all that. But yeah, I'm just eating some lunch, late lunch. It's about 5 o'clock. I didn't eat anything all day, so I'm gonna make some burgers in maybe an hour or so when the wind dies down, hopefully, and the sun starts setting a little bit. There's some thunder clouds kind of circling around, but I don't think it's gonna rain. So yeah, stick around, hope you enjoy. Alright, here it is, final product, the cheeseburger with mayonnaise only because I forgot ketchup and mustard. But bon appetit. Alright, so absolutely crushed that cheeseburger. Like I said, I wasn't really missing the ketchup, but mustard would have been nice. Either way, it's still really good. Yeah, I'm gonna do the dishes and then probably put a sweatshirt on. It's cooled down quite a bit. Mosquitoes are out. Gonna get the dishes done and go for a walk. So stick around. Good morning, friends. It's Monday around 9 a.m. I'm deciding to stay another night here. As you saw, I made some coffee and breakfast. The plan today is to hike up the road. It goes for about a mile, I think. And it ends at a trailhead, which I might try and hike a little bit. It goes into the eastern Sierra. As you saw earlier, it's very mountainous, desolate looking out there. So yeah, I'm gonna get my hiking boots on and get packed up and hike on out of here for 3 or 4 hours. Yeah, so stick around and thanks for tuning in. Just checking in. Made it to the trailhead. It was about a 2-mile walk from my truck, and about a mile from the trailhead beginning is a waterfall. So I'm gonna go check it out. Left my coffee at the car, which kind of sucks, but I think I got enough water. So yeah, hope you enjoy this little hike. It's beautiful out. All right, well, made it back to the truck. Hiked about 8.5 miles, a little bit further than I had planned on, but nonetheless, it was a great hike, great weather, great scenery, saw some wildlife. And now I'm in the creek. So yeah, just gonna hang out right for the rest of the day. Decompress after that little hike. Gonna eat some lunch in a minute. But yeah, can't beat it. All right, so just checking in. Took a nap for about an hour and a half after the hike. Ate some lunch first and then took a nap. The weather's decided to change for the worse. As you can see, it's very cloudy and it's super windy. So I had originally planned to make ground beef burritos for dinner, but with the wind, I don't think that's going to be possible. and I don't feel like cooking in the bed of my truck, so I'm just gonna eat snacks for dinner. Unfortunately for you, you don't really get to see that, but it's not raining, so that's okay. But the wind is just bad, so not gonna fight it. And if it dies down later this evening, whatever. I don't like cooking in the dark, so it is what it is. I'll be out of here. Not really in a rush to leave tomorrow, so I'll kind of take my time packing up and getting out of here. But as you can see, truck's still here. Creek is still here. I'm still here. The clear skies are not here anymore. There's been a lot of people coming in and out looking for campsites. It's a pretty popular area. Kind of. I feel like this is one of the last maybe unknown-ish areas of the 395, just because it's a little bit more north than like Alabama Hills and stuff. Quite a bit more north, actually, but yeah, so this will be my last night here, and head to Tahoe tomorrow. So if you see me guys cooking tonight, that means the wind died down before it got dark. But if not, I'm just going to snack on some food that I have. And once again, no trail footage on this video, but that's all right. I got plenty in store for that when I go to Idaho, Utah, and Wyoming, so stay tuned. Well, friends, it's Tuesday morning, and that wraps up another trip for me. I really appreciate you guys sticking around, watching the videos, commenting, subscribing. Reaching the 1,000 subscriber mark was pretty big for me. I didn't expect that to happen at all. I've been doing these kind of trips for years and never thought to start a YouTube channel until that last year, really. So I appreciate you guys watching and interacting. It means a lot. If you could, like, comment, subscribe. Even if you don't like them, even if you do, it all helps me be a better YouTuber. And I was editing the video that you're watching now. I was getting started, and I realized the first First couple clips are pretty bad with the audio. Bear with me, it's a new camera, so I'm figuring out the bugs, like I said. But yeah, that does it for this trip, and I'll see you next time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week.